What's up, Smashers? In today's episode of Kronic Kitchen, we're going to be making infused honey. The first thing we're going to do is smash out our rosin. We're going to be doing this press for 207 degrees and 600 material PSI, and we're doing this in an X bag. Now the ratio here is going to be a 1-to-1 ratio. We're going to do about 1 gram of rosin for a cup of honey. Then we're going to collect our rosin. Using a NugSmasher collection plate makes it super easy. Cools the rosin right down so that it collects to the everything tool, and itself super simple. Look at that fire rosin. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to heat our honey. We're using 2 cups of honey, and we put this in a mason jar inside of a crock pot filled with water, and we have this on high heat. Next we're going to add the rosin to the honey.
Start it up.
Now we're going to put this back in the crock pot. We're going to leave this in the crock pot for about 24 hours. Taking it out every few hours to shake it. Once the rosin is fully dissolved and decarbed, we're going to shake it up. And then we have our infused honey. Stay tuned to see what we use this infused honey for. Thanks for watching this episode of Kronic Kitchen. Be sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below any recipes you'd like to see.